this is the rules and regulation here na Journey Hostel Sukhumvit. It's a dorm tel, so there's a plate, ganyan, sharing, and there's a compliment, and this is what the plus. So meron lang siyang glass dyan na sliding, so iso-swipe mo lang yung card mo. So this is what happened inside the area. This is very nice area, diba? I hope I have my own like this in the future when I become a famous YouTuber. So we see what's inside here. There's a hot and cold here. Sabi niya, I can use utensil here and also hot and cold if I wanted. So meron siya ditong ref. So ayan, may mga gulay siya. So yung gulay dito pwede ko raw lutuin, and free na raw to, free na lang to. Just ganyan, kuha akong cucumber, ganyan, tapos talong, mga ganon. Tapos free na yan. So ayan, ang ganda ng ref niya, di ba? Tapos dito sa baba, there's a bulk of ice. Ayan. So, meron pa garbage dito. Tapos ito yung, dito, meron siyang binigay dito na pagkain. Sabi niya, welcome, parang welcome for sa kanilang hostel, ganyan. Kasi I'm from Philippines raw. And not all in Metro Manila, Philippines go to this hostel raw. So, yun, parang, siya, parang, tinitigan niya ako. So, it's a dormitory. So, ayan siya. Sabi niya, kakaiba yung mukha ko raw. So, ayan, inakyat namin yung bag sa taas. Pag ganyan, tinulungan niya ako. Sabi ko, ay nako, tinulungan ako nung assistant. Nakakahiya naman. Sabi niya, it's okay, it's okay. So, papunta na siya dito kasi malapit lang dito yung area niya. So, may pagkain dyan na salad, ganyan. So, akyat tayo sa taas. Ang ganda nito sa taas. Alam nyo, pag sa Saudi kayo, mayroon dito pag sa Saudi kayo, pag nangatulong kayo, ganito yung bahay nila. Yung maliliit na sa mga Arabian. Tapos, pagdating mo, hahayaan ka nila dito sa ganitong area. Tapos, bibigyan ka nila labada, ganyan, linisin. Dapat gawin mo yun. Hindi ka pwedeng magchismisan, ganyan. Tapos, pag sabi luto, ganyan. So, sobrang laki. Sobrang laki ng bahay ni Madam. Hanggang 6th floor. So, mag-isa lang ako noon sa Saudi, nung nangatulong ako. And, gusto ko yung trabaho. I like to work to Madam. It's even in the 6th floor. I clean all the mess. Even in the basement. I have nice work with Madam. And this Madam, there's a share toilet here outside. So that's maybe the toilet. As you can see how beautiful it is. Ayan. So, the Madam said, Jasmine, you should go back to university. This work is not for you. This housemaid keeping. And I said to Madam, it's expensive to go to university. And then said, go back to Philippines. You go to school. You not become housemaid anymore. And then sabi ko, Madam, why? So, shout out to my Madam. If you're watching my YouTube channel, you know what happened to me right now. There's a bumps and bumps happening to me. I'm alone and I don't know where's my two sons, Hero and Gabi. And also, my husband is missing. There's lots of problem, but I'm still alone here in Thailand. So, I'm here in Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok, Thailand is so far. There's some city of Central, and nandito lahat ng mga luxurious. So, ang Pattaya is the, kumbaga, rest house and ocean view lang siya. But there's no establishment na mayroong MRT or LRT or train talaga. So, ayun, pasok na ako sa loob.